What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. So, I was just watching episode 19, and there is something that caught my attention in Utando Nestembo, and it is that Makumalo has this special gift that she has that is so unique and different from all the other wives. You know, when you watch Utando Nestembo, you may think that the wives that do not love Musa Mseleku are Makumalo and Mangwabe, and I just cannot help but tell you that the most loving wife is Makumalo, and it is because of that special gift. You know, Makumalo actually sat down with Musa Mseleku after that disastrous ceremony where he invited the Duma family to introduce them to the fifth wife. Makumalo told Mseleku that I do not mind you taking wife number 5, but you must do things step by step, one by one. Don't try to rush things. That in itself was a sign that Makumalo loves Mseleku so much, and it was coming from deep inside Makumalo's heart. No other wife was able to tell Musa Mseleku the truth like that. Because sometimes you can observe in life that people that tell you the truth are the ones that love you the most. In as much as that truth may hurt like crazy, those are the people that love you. And this is exactly what Makumalo did by telling Mseleku the truth in itself. As much as it hurt him, it's a sign that Makumalo loves Mseleku more than any of his wives that he has. Tell me what you think about Makumalo's gesture. At least to me, this is a sign that Makumalo loves Mseleku.